Hey y'all, it's Haleigh from Home Bar Network, and we're feeling a little spicy tonight, so we got a really great spicy watermelon cocktail for you, easy to whip up from home. It's gonna be using fresh jalapeno, New Amsterdam watermelon vodka, 1920 Select Aperitivo, some smoked chili bitters, agave syrup, and fresh lime, of course. So this is kind of a riff on a spicy margarita, but how many times have you heard someone say that they can't have tequila? So this is a vodka cocktail again. It pretty much appeases every palate. So we're gonna go ahead and get in there. So when you're making cocktails with fresh jalapeno, you have to remember that some peppers are spicier than others. So depending on how spicy you want it, you're gonna wanna do a thin slice or a thick slice. You might wanna kind of take out a couple of the seeds, but I'm gonna leave some of the seeds because I like a kick in my drinks. So there you go, slice of jalapeno. Next up, we got our agave nectar. We're gonna do about a teaspoon of agave nectar. I don't like it too sweet, but I definitely want that to round out the spiciness of the jalapeno. Then we're gonna go in with our 3 dashes of Haleigh smoked chili bitters. And then time to muddle. Now if you don't have a muddler at home, you can use the end of a wooden spoon or something along those lines, but let's face it, it's Home Bar Network. You should probably invest in a muddler at this time. They're not too expensive, you can order them online. And you can make so many great cocktails with a muddler. All right, next up, we got the most important part, the booze. We're gonna go in with 2 ounces of our New Amsterdam watermelon. We're gonna go ahead with that full 2 ounces because when you're dealing with a flavored vodka, it's a little lower ABV, just slightly. Then we're gonna go in with our 1920 Select. We're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of the 1920 Select Aperitif. And of course, fresh lime juice. It's all about fresh lime here. You don't wanna use lime mix or anything like that. You're not gonna get the same delicious cocktail. So we're gonna go 3/4 ounce with your fresh lime. And that's it. So next up, we're gonna grab our ice. Fill your shaker up. Ice. Pour your cocktail in. Give it a good shake. All right, that incorporates all your ingredients, gets it nice and spicy, sweet, delicious. We're gonna go in with a big cube here, right into the glass. Strainer, get that bad boy right in there. Look at that beautiful color, just like watermelon. And lastly, you're gonna have your beautiful lime wheel garnish. And you have a perfect cocktail for summer sipping, day drinking, poolside sipping, spicy, sweet, fruity, everything. And it's vodka, so who could really complain? Cheers. Then, just to add another kick, you're really feeling crazy, let's talk about High Noon real quick, because this truly is the best seltzer on the market right now. I've tried them all. Most of them are made with that malt liquor, which gives you that weird aftertaste. This is actually vodka and club soda, and its natural flavor. It is the drink of the summer. So if you want to even make this into a longer drink, say for the poolside, whatever, throw a little bit of that on top, and you have a gorgeous, spicy watermelon cocktail that will really make anyone happy. So, cheers.